Dear all participants of CBSE upcoming training, our training will start from 1st of October 2021. After completing our training, we have need to submit our feedback after 7 days of completing each of the training. So as to submit the feedback about the training, we will follow the following step. First of all, we will open the Google Chrome on our laptop or the mobile phone. I have already opened. Now we will type in the search box CBSE training portal. Now click on the search button. When you will click on the search button, then a list will be open on the next page. The first item from the list will show CBSE training portal. Now we will click on this first item, CBSE training portal. The page of the CBSE training portal has been opened. Now just below the training wing which has been written on this page, we will see some of the menus, some of the tabs. First is home, second is user manual, third login as, fourth online forms, about training, after that contact us. But we have to click on the third tab from the left to right named login as. When we will click on the tab login as, a menu will be open here. In this menu, on the second item we will click, that is individual participant. When we will click on the individual participant, a login page will be open. On this login page, some are the credential has been given. In the first, it has been given user ID. So we will open user. We will type here the user ID. User ID will be provided by the school. Now I am entering user ID of one of the teacher. After that, I will enter here the password. Now we will enter the security pin. Now click on the login. When we will click on the login, a page will be open. On this page, it has been written dashboard for the participant. In this dashboard, number of registered training will be shown. Number of attended training will be also shown, and the submitted feedback will be, number of submitted feedback will be also shown. We have to submit our feedback, so we will click on the fifth from the left to right from this under this tab. Look here, this is the fifth tab, just below the training wing. When we will click on this, under this tab, another tab is showing here, online session. Now we will click on the online session. When we will click on this online session, a drop down box will be shown here. When we will click on this drop down box, some of the sessions will be shown here, of which feedback has been not submitted. I will choose the first of the of which we have to submit the feedback. Now feedback, opening the feedback page, we will choose the options as our will. We will choose according to us which will be the best option for submitting the feedback. Now I have opted all the feedbacks, all the desired options. We will click on the submit feedback. When I will click on the submit feedback, look here, feedback, it is showing that feedback added successfully. Okay, now the remaining are here showing, the remaining feedbacks are showing here. First we have just submitted. When we will choose this, it is giving the message that feedback has been already submitted, so we will choose the second from here, Blooms. Now if you want to change the change the option from here, you can change, otherwise you can submit here. Also the second has been also done. Now there are only 2 left. I am leaving here because the teacher will submit remaining 2, and I am going to log out from here. In this way we will submit our feedback. Thank you.